You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Butch is here for an Easter video. Where you been?
You know, I've been longing for LPS-Dave.
What's that?
Is a mashup.
A mashup.
You know how much I love marshmallows.
Yeah.
They do get between my toes, though. And I love Sour Patch. I wish that someday they would come out with marshmallows and sour something mixed.
I think they have that already.
What? When did that happen?
The thing I'm curious about is, why do you trick or treat at Easter time? I don't get it.
Well, trick-or-treat's for every day's trick-or-treating day, LPS.
So you go around at Easter, door to door.
With my Easter basket.
And what do you say? Not trick or treat. What do you say? Hippity hop and they give you something? Or how do you collect so much candy?
No, I just kind of look forlornly.
Forlornly.
I look sad. And they just basically throw candy at me until I leave. I like to go out when it's raining, then I look even more sad.
Yeah, it's like drooping in your fur and your.
I have this way to make my face look really sad.
Huh.
See that?
Yeah, that made me real sad. I
See?
might want to donate to your charity.
You might want to throw candy to me.
Yeah, I get it. Here, I'll throw this to you. All right, we have the
I've
Sour
got a little
Patch.
music I play in the background. I will remember you. It's that song from the dog commercial.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway.
Are you done?
How you doing, LPS-Dave? Good to see you.
I'm doing great. I feel a little sad now that you're so despondent.
Throw some candy at me, LPS-Dave. It'll make everyone feel better.
All right, I have done these, so I've tried these before. But not this little soft plushie.
That's not edible, is it?
It is not. And he's somehow stitched in there, stuck in there, so we're going to have to rip them out of the box. These are the Sour Patch Marshmallows, sour-coated marshmallows in Redberry.
Did you say rip him out of the box, LPS-Dave?
Well, we're going to have to because he's...
This is going to be the most violent Sour Patch Marshmallow video ever made, LPS-Dave.
Well, what am I supposed to do? Carefully cut him, no matter what I say? Cut him?
Chainsaw. Do you like my chainsaw? It's pretty good, huh?
Okay, so look at this little picture here. They show it's a little white marshmallow inside, coated with the coating, and the front looks like an egg for Easter.
And what's the significance of the weird dude hovering over the top, LPS-Dave?
That is the Sour Patch Kid.
Really?
Let's turn it around.
Huh.
Very colorful yellow box. It says sour in green, patch in yellow, and kids in red, and then marshmallow in a puffy blue and white.
Always white.
All right.
Whoop, don't show that side.
Yeah,
Oh, boy.
that's the back side.
His hinder parts.
Let's just get this out of here. Okay.
Oh, look at those.
Oh, yeah. So
Wow.
Okay, how am I going to extricate this little fella?
It looks like they were vacuum packed. It looks like they're going to really expand once you get them out of there, LPS-Dave.
And see, at this point, I got to cut.
Oh, careful.
So I'm going to cut him from the
Surgery.
package. Here we go, everybody. Oh, there's two.
Ouch, careful.
All right, and then there's these little white things. You know, there's a word for those little white things that they use?
Little white things, LPS-Dave.
Little white things. Right,
The
well,
things
there
that
he
you
is.
can never find once they fly.
Hey, Butch, how you doing?
Oh, yeah. Does he have a name, LPS-Dave?
Yes, this is Elfie Jr.
Whoa, it's the Easter elf.
The Easter Elfie.
Nice. I'll try not to hurt your feelings.
His eyes are stitched, which is nice. It's not doesn't look like an iron-on type thing. It's all.
If it were, I would turn the smile upside down. He could look really sad, and he could come on my Easter hunt.
Oh. Okay, let's just prop him up here, and then let's check these out. So you see now they have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 red, and 2 of the blue.
Are they expired, LPS-Dave? Best Buy.
2095.
Wow, that sounds about right.
2026.
Sounds about right, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, let's just get
These are the only things that will survive.
Let's just get these here. I'll tell you, I'm gonna get a little plate and I'm gonna
Good idea.
camera angle right into the little Sour
Let's be
Patch.
appropriate here, LPS-Dave. Get a plate and some silverware, will you?
I don't know if we need silverware. Plasticware?
I like to eat my marshmallows with a knife and fork.
Yeah, I'd like to see that. Okay, in comes the little display plate.
Very nice, LPS-Dave.
Look at that.
Very
Look at
nice.
that. We're gonna be marching right
I can
along.
smell it already, LPS-Dave.
What can you smell?
I smell sweet and sour and sugary.
And now we can bring a little blue guy with red speckles.
Oh, he's got some red.
And then this guy looks nicely shapen. Now there's 2 more, but I want to give everybody a nice little look-see.
Nice, LPS-Dave.
Don't they look tasty?
Very nice.
Did you want to try one?
Well, that's a silly question.
Now, I'll tell you what I'm going to do.
Oh, no, everyone turn away. Look away. Please, don't watch this.
Cut so we can see the inner mush. Oh, it's very
Heartless. He just
sticky.
cuts without
Here,
even
hold on a
thinking.
second. Let's see if this works. Stay right there. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. There. And now I am going to take a bite. I've had these before. They're good. They're not as sour as... go ahead. Give it a taste.
I'm going in LPS-Dave.
Okay, go ahead. You got Redberry.
Oh.
It's a little sour.
Just a little.
Not very sour. Good, strong blue raspberry flavor. What did you get? Redberry. How was your berry?
It was a little heavy on the schmellow. A little light on the sour to me, LPS-Dave.
I agree. We'll see how
Maybe
that
it should
looks.
have been reversed. Maybe they should have put the sour on the inside and just put a little coating of marshmallow on the outside.
I agree. Just a big sour clump, right? I'm gonna
Sour clumps.
try the
from
Redberry.
Lucky Penny
Did
Shop.
you want to try the blue or are you good?
I'm good, LPS-Dave. I'm stuffed.
Look at that. Boy, we can deck you all out and stick these all over your head. You can then walk up and say, "Oh, I'm here for the Easter eggs."
That's a growth. I have a goiter.
A marshmallow goiter. Is there such a thing?
It's a fluffy, puffy. Just don't get caught in the heat because it'll melt.
Now, one of my least favorite candies is marshmallows. Is it really a candy to me? I don't know.
It's a lot of air.
All right, so this guy, what do you think? He stands about 5 inches tall.
Ish.
Yeah, 5.5. What do you think? What's your estimation on his height?
Let's see, LPS-Dave. 13.27
Centimeters? Millimeters?
meters.
Meters. Okay. And he's a baby blue?
That metric system really never caught on here, did it, LPS-Dave?
No, still to this day.
It's like a meter. You just say it's like a yard and a little farther. That's what it is.
You know, normally this would have been a 5-minute video because I would have shown it. It's a quick item, and then we've turned it into, what, 10, 12 minutes now?
Yeah, who knew? Who knew that we would be talking about the metric system? We were talking about something like this.
Can I continue on and describe my little friend here?
Proceed.
He is a sky blue. I said baby blue. I think he's a little more sky. And then the way his little fabric changes, it
Almost
almost
cloudy.
looks, yeah, it's cloudy. It's a cloudy sky blue.
One of those, where the pollution haze kind of goes over that beautiful blue sky. And
Yeah, I think it's all about the pollution haze. What do you think? Pollution haze, everybody?
pollution haze.
But you kind of see it.
It's the name of my band.
That's a good name of a band. Pollution haze. Oh, yeah, there you go. So you can go that way and a little furry. All right. 20 minutes later, we finally wrapped this up.
I like his bumps on his head, LPS-Dave. The bumpy things in his head.
Yeah, that's a shape.
It's like broccoli.
Yeah, he's got broccoli head.
Broccoli head.
Okay.
That's the name of my
Are you
other
done?
band.
Are you done? I would like to get on with the rest of the day.
Oh,
Maybe move on to another video.
I'm having fun, LPS-Dave.
Okay, well, continue on, then I'll just...
How else can we analyze the Sour Patch Marshmallow setup here?
I have another video of me actually going into more detail.
How could you possibly go into more detail than what we've just done?
Well, you can melt them. They look cool on a little pan, and you can melt your little Sour Patch.
That's crazy talk.
We've done that numerous
Do
times.
you talk about the metric system?
No.
Do you talk about the sky and pollution and the problem that's happening there?
No.
See?
Okay. All right, well you wrap it up then. I'm out of here.
Wow. Well, this educational video is brought to you by the Public Broadcasting System and by the number 2.
The number
Speaking of that, see you, LPS-Dave.
Later!
Bye-bye, everybody!
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.